Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. We just made it down here to Austin, Texas. Just made it down here to Austin, Texas. We got up here, pulled up to the Airbnb, got the trailer all situated. Bikes are all fired up. About to go right out for lunch. So this is day one of the MotoGP trip. The bike get all warmed up. I'm super excited. Down here ready to explore a new city with the homies. It is misting on us a little bit here. These guys are saying 15% chance of rain. So I'm going to roll with their predictions and hopefully we're good. Yeah, here we go. What the f? Fucking dude has his whole ass hanging out. Wow. I think the Airbnb that Brandon booked us is over here on the ghetto side of town. Dude, that guy had his whole ass hanging out. Jesus Christ. Oh, this one's kind of sick. Got some S-curves in it. Fucking shopping cart in the middle of the road? What the hell? Oh god. Here we are, Austin, Texas. Little skate park action over here. Kids tearing it up on the scooters. I think we're going to like the downtown area right now to go grab some lunch. So I'll be curious to see how many other bikes are out running around. There's tons of people down here riding right now for MotoGP. I'm fucking stoked to be down here. You have no idea. Wasn't a bad road trip down from Dallas, just a little 3-hour ride. Bikes all stayed nice and perfect in the trailer. The whole time we were white knuckling and worried about the bikes tipping over. Gotta watch these damn roads for some crazy ass potholes on the MV. Mine is fogging up like a motherfucker right now. Got the cold water hitting it from the rain. Yeah, this fucking road suck ass. That road sucks. Picked up a Honda Grom behind us here. New city, boys, new city. What the hell is this guy doing?
Did you see the dude petting a crow?
What? A cone?
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude? Lots of crackheads down here, bro.
Dude, this place is wild. I told you, there's a lot of homeless people.
Welcome to the jungle.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, damn, look at this fucking decline right here. Oh, wow. Dude, there's no hills like this in Dallas. This is crazy. Oh, didn't see that stop sign. Bike lane. I don't know if it's raining more or we're just moving faster and I'm catching more drops. Dude, look at that shit. Hell yeah, fucking Red Bull. Got the KTM mock-up bike over there. That looks dope. Just like a little convenience store. What is it? Is that a CVS? Yeah, CVS Pharmacy. They got the MotoGP bike mock-up. Okay. Look at the kid. Look at Brandon acting a fool, weaving the cones. We're getting rained out. Look at these. Oh my god! What the fuck? All right, taco joint. Born in Austin. Here's our spot.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh shit! No fucking way, dude.
It's just dumping. It's dumping something. But it's meant to do that. I've seen this before.
Yeah, my bike has spewed coolant before too, like when it was overheating, when I was having those overheating issues. But I don't know why it would be doing that right now, you know?
Well, we were sitting in traffic and caught a slow.
Yeah, that's true. Cause that's just like one of your overflow pipes.
Coming out of it too.
Yeah.
Let's let it cool off and do it.
You scared the shit out of me. You scared the shit out of me with that.
Yeah, because I was down for a second.
Yeah.
Well, the whole thing kind of scared me.
Yeah.
It really wasn't a whole lot. Look at it.
Now, like I said, my bike has done that with the coolant before.
I saw it on a Panigale. That a Panigale had done it before too.
Dude, it's muggy as shit down here. Alright, we got to pop inside this taco joint real quick. Grab some food, grab some dinner. Or shit, I guess it's lunch for us, but... We shut down the GoPro. Get a quick look at the bikes all posted up. Alright. Boys got all fueled up on some tacos. Ready to roll. Oh, look at that, the sun. Sun's poking through. Going to grab some gas. Ooh, this is like slick as shit over here. Like ice. Alright, gas this bad boy up. Gotta move quick. They charge out the ass for their Supreme down here. $4.59. Yeah, this girl was low. This girl was thirsty. Always remember to reset the trip after you fill the gas up. Are you good? So tonight we're going to go to AF1. It's a huge dealership down here in Austin. We're going to go to their MotoGP party, which I think they're actually having at a brewery, not at their dealership. But should be tons of bikes out there. Should be a great time. Got a couple hours before that kicks off, so we're going to run and stop by this cigar shop. All three of us are avid cigar smokers, so we'll run and stop by the cigar shop, grab some cigars for this evening and for the weekend, head back to the B&B, chill for a little bit, and then hop back on the bikes in a couple hours and head over to the AF1 MotoGP party. I think the goal here is just to keep the bikes moving. Brandon's bike was overheating a little bit before. You doing alright? No smoking and the guy's puffing like a chief. Yeah, boys, so we got quite the week ahead of us, quite the weekend at least. Tomorrow is the sprint race as well as qualifying. Then Sunday is the MotoGP race, and we're going to do a little bikes and coffee meet. Most of the guys that we ride with in Dallas came down for the races. So we'll have the usual crew as well as whoever joins us from the Austin area or anybody that came down. You chilling over there? I don't think that it's going to overheat again like that.
No, I don't think it was overheated. I think it was adjusting to the atmosphere.
Yeah. Alright, getting all geared up, getting the bikes all fired up. Just finished burning down some cigars over here at this little cigar shop and cigar lounge. We're about to roll by the B&B, grab some clear visors because I think we're going to be out after dark after this. Next up is the AF1 MotoGP party. Should be a good time. I think we got extremely fortunate and the weather cleared up for us. There was like a 30 to 40% chance of rain throughout this whole evening, but it looks like we're gonna get lucky and not really run into anything. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed and keep rolling on the bikes all weekend. You guys just want to cut in front of everybody. Some of these roads on here are just wavy as shit. Look at that, boys. We got blue skies, a little bit of cloud cover. The homie jamming on the side of the road. Honk if you're letting the soft animal of your body love what it loves. Can't believe how humid it is down here. Brandon's out here rocking a full sweatshirt. I know he's hot as hell in that thing. The lights down here for longer than the lights in Dallas, that's for sure. Oh yeah, I forgot we gotta pop in this CVS real quick, grab a couple extra locks for the trailer, just to keep everything nice and secure back at the B&B.
The lady was jamming out next to us.
I saw her, yeah.
And she goes, how fast do they go?
Oh, did she roll on her window and ask you that?
Yeah. I was gonna wheelie through that intersection. Look, I'm next. Dude, you see, and the ride height is so different. It feels so much smaller.
Yeah, your bike's definitely a little taller than his. Was his bike getting hot too?
I looked over and his was sitting at, like, you know, the 218, 220 mark.
He was like shutting it off and stuff, so I was just curious.
I won't lie, it put a little scare in me.
Yeah.
Put a little fear in me.
For sure.
Because yeah, dude, we're not used to this much sitting in traffic.
Yeah.
Or at least left in Dallas where the shit moves.
It's crazy that these bikes, like when you're on them and you're hauling ass, like that keeps them cooler than if you're just like stopped.
Well, there's so much air coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Like when we're cruising out here, I'll try to sit in like second or third gear. I'll try to just keep it at low revs so I can just keep air going through it.
Yeah, here's kind of a rare occurrence. You guys don't always get to see the bikes on the channel, so you guys get to see these two, but obviously I'm always on this one.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, it's fast as shit.
I told you.
Look at this guy up here doing his little jam, his little dance. That's curves. Big sweepers, boy. Nice. Trailer for sale back there, $6,500. Broke my neck. You see that trailer for sale? There's a trailer for sale back there.
Oh, really?
Just like what we got. There's a shit ton of activity in this city. Every corner we stop at, people walking around, people chilling, doing their thing, I guess. The sun peeking out at us. Oh, here we are.
Jeep coming out in front of us?
Yeah, that's Austin drivers.